Alright, y'all. So the first thing we're going to need is a cutting board thing. So I have that. I have the shirt I'm going to cut. And I have this like X-Acto type of knife. Thingamabobble. I got this at Walmart, I think. But you can get it like Michael's and like Michael's. You can get it at the craft store or like probably Target. Actually, I might have got it at Target. I don't know. I got it at one of those places. So I've never used one of these before. I've never cut clothes before, but we gonna try today, okay? So I probably should cut where I think the shirt would fall for how short I want it, but I'm not about to put the shirt back on, so we are just going to guesstimate. Alright, so I got that out. Well, that's kind of cute. It says it's not, I don't think it's gonna focus, but it has like, anyway, so we're gonna put this like so on the board. This is a collar up here. We're gonna move the arms out of the way. And okay, y'all can see that, yeah? Okay. So I think I want it, here's the pocket right here. I know that my breasticle is still right here, so I don't want to cut it right there. So I'm gonna just go a little bit down and end it probably like right here. Because I feel like even if that's like a little high, I could always just wear like a black or white bralette and it'll still be cute or whatever. So I'm gonna cut it right there. I actually do have, hold up y'all, these, which are like the pencils that you can draw on fabric with. So get those too. So I'm gonna use the white one. And we're just gonna draw right there. What the? Excuse me, I said draw! Can we use the blue one? Ugh, look, that's not showing up, so. I mean, it kinda did, so we'll just go from that tiny little line. They smell weird. Alright, F it. Maybe this is not the type of fabric. So, we can take our little knife. Ooh. Ooh, that's sharp. If you're under the age of 18, please have a parent or guardian supervising you or doing it for you, because this is sharp as the dickens, okay? Lost my line. Here it is. So we're just gonna go and cut. Ooh. Ooh. That gets you right up. Go on this side. Just cut a line. What if somebody used this for popping bumps? Like popping pus-filled bumps. Push it a little farther on the mat. Follow that line. Bloom. Alright, so as you can see, it didn't cut through all of the fabric, so I'm just going to go over it again. And then finish up on this side. Can y'all see anything? I don't think so. Alright. Don't want you to see my underpants. Alright, so. Blada blang! Okay, now let's put the top on this for a sec, because I know it'll cut up. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, put the top real tight on there. And this is the bottom half. Blang! Don't know if I'm gonna even use this or just like throw it away, or just like when I don't feel like putting pants on but I have to use the bathroom, just like hold this around my waist and go out of my room. Some lady, I don't know, because like I don't see myself using this for anything else. So let's put that to the side, pull this down, and I'm gonna try it on really quick. And this is the end result, guys. So I have to pull it this way. So I put on a bralette under it. But let me undo this button. It's really cute, yeah. Okay, y'all. So my ending remarks about that shirt. I messed it up. But I mean, we all knew I was going to. So what happened was the back is a little bit, since I guess it wasn't even when I laid it down. So the back is like higher than the front. So I have to pull the shirt back this way. And then my boobs are like almost exposed. So I have to wear a bralette with it, but I was kind of, you know, I felt like I was going to have to do that anyway. Because I do like to lift my arms a lot, and so yeah, so I think it turned out really cute. My hair is starting to really frizz up, not frizz up, but like curl up. Anyway, so I thought it turned out really cute. I do plan to wear it. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So the jeans that I tried on in the clip that you guys saw with the shirt, I'm actually going to be making those into shorts. So stay tuned for that video. And that's the end of this video. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.